Hello everyone, as we can see in the drawing, there is a first quadrant. Now this is the horizontal plane and this is the vertical plane. This line is reference line. So here we have considered a plane parallel to the HP and perpendicular to VP with one of the edges inclined to VP. So this is this plane which we have considered a rectangular plane. The rectangular plane is parallel to the HP. It is resting on the HP and it is perpendicular to VP. Now the special case which we are going to consider that one of the edges inclined to VP. Now this is the plane, rectangular plane named as ABCD. AD is the edge of the plane, AB is the edge of the plane, BC is the edge and CD is the edge. Out of these edges, AD and BC are shorter edges, AB and CD are longer edges. Now as we can see in the drawing, this longer edge making an angle with the VP denoted by phi. So angle with the VP we denoted by phi. As this edge AB, longer edge, and longer edge CD are parallel to each other, both the edges will make same angle with the VP. And these two edges are same and parallel to each other. Now, inside angle of the plane, that is the corners, angle at the corners where two edges intersect, are 90 degree. That means all edges are perpendicular to each other. So edge is making angle with VP, but the inside angle, the angle between edges of the plane or at the corner, are not going to change in the drawing. They will remain same as or they are 90 degree and the inclination with VP of the longer edges is phi. Let's consider this phi is given 40 degree. Phi means inclination with the VP. So here is the observer. Observing from the top, and here is the observer observing from the front. Now while observing from the front, AD is nearer to to the XY line and corner A is nearer to XY line. So let's start with XY line. So this is this XY line which I have drawn. Now always we start with the true shape, as we can easily identify that true shape is available in the top view, that is while observing it from the top. So true shape is available in the top view. So we will start with the top view. Now first AB is making an angle of 45 degree. So here we will consider one point. Here we will place 45 degrees. We'll draw a faint line. Now, as we can easily observe, this is the angle made with the VP denoted by phi, given as 45 degree. Now nearer to this XY line, the corner available is A. So in the top view, it is named as A by small letters. Now we are going to draw AD. This AD is perpendicular to AB, and angle at A, at corner A, is 90 degree. So here we are going to draw 90 degree. On this 90 degree, let's place a shorter length. Let's place a shorter length. Now let's place a longer length. Now here also at the 90 degree, perfectly at the 90 degree or perpendicular line of the same length as AB, now here observer is observing from the front, so here it is the observer. So this corner is A, this corner is B, this is C, and this is B. So these two edges are of equal length, these two edges are of equal length, and all the angles at the corner are 90 degree. That means all the edges are perpendicular to each other. Now when we will project here, when we will project here, we will project A this point will be A dash. Here we will project B. So this point will be B dash. Then we will project C, corner C. So this point will be C dash, and we will project D. So this point will be B dash. So a front view of the plane with inclined edge and resting on the HP is a line view. So this is the front view, which is the line view. This is the top view, which is the true shape. Now let's take projections. So projectors are always perpendicular to XY line. So projector of D up to here, projector of A up to here, projector of C, then projection of B. So here we can observe a line view. Here we can observe a line view in the front view. Projection of D, D dash, projection of A, A dash, projection of C, C dash, projection of B, B dash. Now to draw the side view, let us consider vertical XY line, then an angle of 45 degree. Let us take projection of A, D, B, and C. Let us take this projection upward up to XY line. So this is the left hand side view, which will also be a line view. Now projection of A, A double dash, D, D double dash, B, B double dash, C, C double dash. Now this distance of corner A is distance of a corner in front of VP.